Hey guys, so we have another unboxing and assembly for you guys. So we bought a wall mount from Home Depot, which we'll be setting up. This is an older TV, so you can see it's a lot thicker. Hey guys, this is like almost 10 years old. It's a thick TV. So we bought this commercial electric wall mount. It's a tilting one. We bought it from Home Depot for about, it was quite expensive. I think it was around 60 to 80 bucks. So this is an old 40-inch Sony TV. So one of the first things you want to do is find your screw size. So the way to do this is to get a toothpick, insert the toothpick into the screw hole, and then mark how deep it goes. So you just go ahead and insert and mark how deep that is. So mine is this deep here, and you want to find your screw. So you got a ton of screws to choose from in this kit. A whole ton of screws. So your best bet is to eyeball your screw hole size and then kind of just get an idea. So I can tell right away that some of these are going to be way too big and some of these are way too small. So I found my screw sizes right here, EE and FF. So I have two choices here. I got the longer one, the shorter one. They both fit perfectly. The one is longer and one is shorter. So you don't want it to go, you don't want any hangout here. You want it to be flush against your TV here. So I would go with the shorter one, but if you want it, you can also go with the longer one, but you have to use basically a giant washer. And then the washer would go, see, the washer goes over it, and then I can see it's gonna, if I use the washer, it would be the correct size here. If I wanted to use the washer, you would put the washer, the giant washer, then you take your mount over the mount like that, and you screw the second washer in over that, and then you're through. It's a lot of extra work. So what I'm going to do is just use my short screw and then the washer here. It's a lot simpler, a lot easier. So it comes with two washers, skinnier one and a fatter one here. So the skinny one looks like it would fit my screw, but it doesn't. So I'm going to go with the larger washer, and then you can get your mount. So the side that's going to be at the top is going to have this, and this allows it to adjust. You can kind of size it up here. Let's see. Okay. So mine looks like it's going to be around 4 at the top, and it'll be right at the bottom there. This is for a 40-inch TV. Okay. So I'll go ahead and screw these mounts in. To adjust these, you just loosen this up here. And you can pull it out. Alright, so my mounts are on here. So go ahead and make sure these are tight, but not too tight. You don't want to over tighten them, because you can damage your TV. That's good. Good. Okay. Okay, so my mounts are on. So the next step is you want to find your studs in your wall, especially for a heavy TV like this. So they recommend using a stud finder, but of course I don't have a stud finder. So what you can do is, if you have an outlet, you should have an outlet on your wall somewhere. Your stud is going to be on either side. So what I did, I just took a tiny nail here and I just put a hole here, and I found the stud was on this side. You could try the pound method, but that doesn't, for me, I can't, it doesn't work for me. So the best bet is just to use a small screw. Just pop a hole in there, and then if you get resistance, you're on a stud usually. So I just followed that up here, and then I found So here's my stud is here. So I just put some more. I just wanted to make sure I was at the center of the stud, so I put more holes here. So now I got a bunch of holes in my wall. But see here, there's no stud here. There was one here, so this is like the middle here. And I did the same over here on this side. So studs are usually 16 inches apart. So once I found this one, I just measured 16 inches from here to here. Let's see. And then I just popped another hole here. So here are my studs. Right there. Easy enough, but I mean, the TV's gonna be over it, so not a big deal. So now you're gonna need your drill, and you're gonna have to drill some holes. So I found my location, so I'm just gonna pull those out and drill some big holes now. Hopefully I don't hit an outlet or something, because that would suck. That's got a level on it. Deeper. Shit, dude. Better off getting a fucking wrench and just wrenching that shit in. No, whatever. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's in there, dude.
Are you sure it's tight?
Oh yeah. I'll make sure.
Are you sure it's not gonna fall on us?
No. I don't know about that.
Oh no. That's not a good sign.
I can't promise anything, dude. This is my first time.
Tamas.
So if you got a weak drill, bust out your wrench. Wrench this shit in.
I just wanna video this. Look
It's all
how.
getting cut.
No, look at my husband. He's so tiny. He need a footstool like me.
This is high, dude. You want it up high. So, there you go.
Make sure it's
It's
tight.
in there, dude. Shit, I feel like I can just leave it like that.
No,
I have to
baby.
put in the bottom.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't
think
trust
so,
it,
dude.
baby. This TV are so heavy, baby. You don't do that on me. It will fall on my head.
There's the stud.
Have a bad eye.
Huh?
You already have a bad eye with your glasses. Your eye.
There's the stud.
What the fuck?
Yeah, so I guess we're not going to use these. So, it's recommended you do. So if our TV falls and breaks, our
It's
fault.
Vincent's fault.
It's Chris's fault.
It's Vincent's fault.
You need very large drill bits to do this. So make sure you got big old drill bits.
And hung it there wrong.
Why did you hang it wrong? Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
You want to try to tighten it? Alright.
Moment of truth.
What if I put it on backwards?
That sucks.
I gotta take the stand bolts off. For the stand.
Oh.
Okay, just tightening it up. Final tight. And we can adjust the tilt. Am I there?
There. Mm-hmm. There.
Oh my god. Boy, that thing's high. Right?
That's okay.
Okay, so it's on the mount now. It's a little difficult, but it's holding tight. This thing's pretty secure up there. Alright, I plugged it in, so let's see if it works. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Alright, it's working. It's secure. We'll let you know if it falls and breaks one of our heads.
That's an expensive mounted.
Yeah.
So
So I don't know. I mean, I recommend using the holder pieces. You know. We'll see. We'll see if it holds. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
There's probably other videos that make it look so easy.
It's not.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.